Hello, how have you been? Welcome back to this channel where we talk about nutrition and health, and at the same time we get to cook some nutritious food. Thank you for consuming my content, even for subscription. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button. You join this nutrition family. Last time I did a recipe on hibiscus tea. Please make sure you watch it, like the video, and also leave a sweet comment. And today we are doing something similar. Today you're going to prepare cinnamon tea, and also you get to learn some of its health benefits. So let's go direct to our ingredients. And so we have we have cinnamon powder. You can either use the cinnamon powder or the cinnamon sticks. And we have a lemon, and our water is already boiling. This is about 250 ml of water. That's all we are going to need for our cinnamon tea. I don't know why bado hibiscus bado in a ring in my mind. Before my water boils, I'm going to squeeze the juice. Let me squeeze the juice, freshly squeezed juice. And maybe it is important you note this: cinnamon hukua mingi. There is this cinnamon, ignore the container. There is this cinnamon, the Ceylon cinnamon. I'm going to put a picture on how to differentiate the two. We have the cinnamon Ceylon and you have the cinnamon Cassia. But for when you want to make your cinnamon tea, please go for the cinnamon Ceylon. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Reason being, the cassia, the one that you're not supposed to use for your cinnamon tea, it contains more coumarin. Ignore the word the coumarin, but that compound in cinnamon cassia can be toxic to your liver. So please, for your cinnamon tea, always go for the cinnamon Ceylon. This is what I mean up here. I think that's important to note. Don't just, when you're preparing your cinnamon tea, don't just go for any cinnamon. Even for the sticks, there is a way you can differentiate between the two. The Ceylon ones they have more folds compared to the cassia cinnamon sticks. You're going to see the picture there up on how you can differentiate between the cinnamon powder and also the cinnamon sticks. And water is already boiling. Let me just switch off. Let me just finish squeezing the juice. Actually, you can take it without the lemon. Lemon tu ni ya kuipea another taste, but actually you can take it that way. And why I love the cinnamon tea, because it's loaded with lots of health benefits. And the obvious one, it's loaded with antioxidants. And we know the role of antioxidants in our body. They scavenge on the free radicals. Free radicals ni hizo vitu. There are substances in the body that can cause cell damage. And when the cell is damaged, you're at a risk of getting diabetes, some heart diseases, cancers. So you need to consume foods that are high in antioxidants. And also it helps promote the formation of collagen and skin elasticity, thus slowing the age process. Who doesn't want to look half of their age? So kama wewe ni yule wa hutaki kuzeeka sana, please incorporate cinnamon tea into your diet. And also it can help reduce the insulin resistance. Kwa hivyo inaweza kuwa it can be beneficial for diabetic and pre-diabetic persons. But I always say anything spice, anything herbal, before you incorporate it into your diet and you're still taking your medication, it's always good to consult your nutritionist, your doctor, before you mix the two, to avoid diet and drug interaction. So that's our lemon juice, and our water had already boiled. I'm going to add our cinnamon. 1 teaspoon for 250 ml of water. And this is what I'm going to add. That's all that I am going to need. And also cinnamon is very important because it helps fight the fungal and bacterial infections. So it's come with lots of health benefits. And also, like I said in the beginning, the antioxidants, the key one is polyphenol. And we know the role of polyphenols when it comes to fighting against cancer. Just making sure I mix everything. Then I give it like 5 minutes iseto kidogo so that I can sieve the residue, just in case there are. When was the last time you made yourself maybe a special tea? Cinnamon, it could be cinnamon, could be hibiscus. Let's normalize taking these things. Sio asubuhi tu ukiamkia ni chai kila siku. You can decide, like tomorrow I'm going to have a cup of hibiscus, the next day a cup of hibiscus, just like that. Because diversification is what our body system requires. Ukizoea kukunywa chai sana, it reaches a point mwili pia inakuzoea. But when you introduce something else, it's more beneficial. So diversification sio tu kwa vegetables, even beverages. As long as it's healthy, you can always diversify. So let's give it like 5 minutes, it settles, we sieve, then we add our lemon juice. And also I forgot to mention 2 other important health benefits of cinnamon. For the ladies, it can help reduce PMS and those menstrual cramps. So you can incorporate it in your diet during that time of the month. And also cinnamon, it helps reduce the LDL, the low density lipoproteins, or what we refer to as bad cholesterol, and raise the HDL, the high density lipoproteins, of the good cholesterol, and inasaidia to kutoa the excess cholesterol in our bloodstream, thus helping, or it keeps your heart more healthy. So those are 2 other important health benefits of cinnamon tea. And now we can sieve it. Just to sieve the residue. You can enjoy it any time of the day, and you can take it when cold or hot. That's how it is. And now I'm going to add the the squeezed juice. Very easy to make, and the ingredients are much affordable and accessible. So it's easy to incorporate it in your diet. And that's our glass of cinnamon tea. Like I've said, you can take it while cold, hot, and actually you can decide it to ice it by putting some few ice cubes. So that's my cinnamon tea. Let me get to know the comment section what you think about it. When was the last time that you prepared such? And also, have you tried the recipe for the hibiscus tea? Let me get to know on the comment section. And as usual, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload such educative videos, you get to be notified. Bye bye.